Hey guys, Toys Academy here. We have Play-Doh meal making kitchen. Let's open it up. Everything is out from the box. It comes with 10 recipes, 6 of which were cut out from the box. It has 4 cans of Play-Doh compound, color yellow, green, brown, and white. It has an extruder and a slide. This is a mold for the chicken and the steak, which also can be used as a baking pan. A bread toaster, plate, pizza slicer, frying pan, cooking range. This is a cooking top with an oven, and inside we have a tray. This is the working area. It also comes with a knife. And on the other side of this tabletop are molds. We can see here meat, French fries. I think this is a tomato, broccoli, and others. And at the back of the cooking range, we can find the hooks where we can store the cooking tools. Awesome! Let's prepare the first meal of the day, which is breakfast. Let's make some bacon. I just use my own red colored Play-Doh compound. Alternate with a white colored dough. Let's use the extruder for this. Let's fry the eggs sunny side up. Now the bacon. Let's add a toast of bread. Perfect. And now we have a yummy breakfast. Sunny side of egg, 2 slices of bacon, and 2 slices of toasted white bread. For lunch, I want to make a pizza. Let's add some cheese. We're gonna use the extruder. And let's make some pepperoni. Time to bake the pizza. While waiting for the pizza, let's start preparing for our dinner. I want this recipe with a steak, mashed potato, and beans. Great! Pizza is ready! Looks so yummy! Let's slice the pizza. And now let's cook the steak. Let's make the mashed potato with the gravy on top. Steak's ready. Let's make some beans. Dinner is ready. And now we're done preparing the meal for the day. Egg, bacon, and bread for breakfast. Pizza for lunch. Steak with mashed potato and beans for dinner. It's always fun to play with the dough but not to eat. Thank you guys for watching and watch out for more videos.